knowledge because I know the product knowledge, I know the government rules and regulation because I have to do the research to find out the rules and regulations of the country. I cannot even tell the world what is the rules and regulation, what is the procedure. The procedure is very clear. It's all on my YouTube channel and on my platform on Facebook. The buyer can read it. The buyer nowadays
Your
can
same procedure is the same procedure with ours. That's why I
exactly.
got shocked is that you are actually getting buyers from outside taking them. Here, what the agents when they're coming will tell them, no, let's arrange the meeting with the buyer. They always say, no, the buyer can never move. So, who does business on WhatsApp? Seriously, you want to buy something? Can you buy it on WhatsApp? Like it's Amazon.
No, there is a buyer in WhatsApp. There is. There is.
Like he doesn't want to send anyone to go verify the things that no, you will do it via WhatsApp.
Okay.
So I was like,
No, they are.
down and everyone.
You know,
No,
the people on WhatsApp, it is a networking. There's a lot of buyers there. There's a lot. The buyer would not tell that he is a buyer. When the buyer send me a message and I ask the buyer, who are you? How did you get my number? And they said, oh, I saw your YouTube channel because my number is on my YouTube channel on WhatsApp. So they have to add me on WhatsApp. So I interview the buyer at the same time on the spot. When I interview the buyer, I asked the buyer, did you really listen to the video explanation or did you really read the full corporate offer? And the buyer says, the potential buyer, not really. Go back and read again. Because I explained thoroughly, I put everything, all question and answer is already on every video. Today, the price of gold is almost 86. Okay? Today.
yes.
Just a moment, I'm gonna have a look. Okay? The price of gold today. Okay, gold.
Somewhere 86, close to 86.
Close to 86, 85, 700.
Yeah.
85,700. You list that 8%. Now, how do I give the buyer list 8%? When the buyer buy gold to central bank or refinery, they don't get discount. They don't get much profit. So they are buying raw material, which is gold bar doré, that is unrefined. So most of the buyer, they are buying raw materials in order for them to refine, to make into jewelry, to make into $1, $2, full state, medical uses, or industrial, or they can make into 99.99 because 99.99 is already refined. So the price is 85,700. Okay, so out of 85,700, less 8% with a $78,000. So when I interview the buyer, like you do, I make sure that the buyer will give me the answer because I have to ask question how you can afford to pay. And then if you're gonna say, oh, madam, bring to my country like Hong Kong, China, or Middle East or Dubai, then I'm gonna ask you why I'm gonna bring it to you. You did not introduce yourself properly. I want to know your credential. Your credential must be your business registration, your importation license, your passport copy, and the proof of fund that you have standby money in your bank account. If you can show it to me, then you prove that you are a buyer. But if you cannot show it to me, you prove that you are a street joker. I call them street joker. So, they wouldn't meet the criteria because I told them go back and read and then you come back to me. And then you're gonna ask what is the price then I'm gonna tell you, you are not paying attention. You're not. Because on my platform on YouTube, I said less 8%. So you figure out, use your calculator, whatever the price of the day, less 8% equals 77 to 78. Mm-hmm. You got me?
Yeah.
Now we are almost ending 2024. So the price of gold, it fluctuates, it's not fixed. What happened if the price of gold turned to 3,000 2025? So the price of gold could be 96,450 a kilo. So if you're a street buyer, you would not be able to afford it. So I called you a street joker buyer. There's a lot of buyers around the world. There's a lot. They go to digital nowadays. They are searching. But how are they able to pay? That is my question. And if the buyer will say, I will buy CIF, to me, you don't have the money because CIF is stand for cost, insurance, and freight. That's normal. You have to pay the shipping cost. That is normal. You have to pay the insurance. But how about paying the gold? Mm-hmm. So my
And that's why
you go ahead.
they never want to pay the government. I don't know why.
Okay. May I give you the may I give you the answer? They don't want to pay the government sales tax. Our selling price is tax included. The tax is already on the price. You don't need to pay taxes. You pay the gold. Yeah. You pay the gold. So because the tax is already on the price. Now, even though we give you 8%, the tax included, you still make profit. Why? You resell it to your customer, 2% or 3%, you still have 5%.
Yes.
So then the buyer asked me, do you think I'm gonna make profit? Well, if you don't think that you don't make profit, why are you entering into gold business? That gold is money. You're buying money to make money. So if the buyer doesn't give me the answer, to me that he is a street joker buyer. Yeah. I called him street joker buyer. Because when I ask question, yeah, I asked him silly question. He asked me silly question. I've given him silly answer.
Yes, get serious.
See? So that's the reason why the buyer are scared to deal with Wilhelmina. Why are you going to be scared for? You're gonna be thankful that you meet Wilhelmina through YouTube channel. Everything is in there. My face are everywhere. I just rejected this buyer from Oman. Yeah. I just rejected the buyer from Oman. He said hi.
Only thieves hide.
I don't like to say
Only criminals and thieves hide.
No, I don't like you to say me hi. You say, Wilhelmina, I saw you on YouTube. I am the buyer. Wilhelmina, I'm going to purchase gold. My question is, did you read the full corporate offer? And if you're gonna say yes, okay, show me your credential. I want to see your credential whether you're a buyer or not. And if you cannot show me your credential, to me you're a street joker. You are. You got me? So now you learn, because at the same time I'm interviewing you, okay? The buyer are gonna be, he cannot give me the answer to me. He belonged to a street joker buyer. And also street joker broker. There's a lot of street joker broker. There's a lot. On LinkedIn, on WhatsApp, there's a lot. You would not make money. Yeah, there's a lot. You would not make money unless you know the buyer. Because I'm gonna interview the buyer. You're gonna say, I have the buyer from Europe, Hong Kong, and Dubai. Oh yeah? To me, you're fishing around. Yeah. Because if you're gonna mention that I have plenty of buyers, you don't know what you're doing. You're fishing around. Because the real buyer has to introduce himself. He who is. There's a saying, he who has the gold makes the rules. The government is making the rules. Not me.
Yes.
Not the buyer. The buyer has to pay the gold. And then you're gonna say, I will buy gold, no upfront. To me, you don't have the money. Hmm. See you, see you're laughing. Gold is money. Why you gonna buy
True.
money without no payment? So therefore, you're a gold launderer. Hmm.
Now, Madam Amina, is there a buyer who calculates when buying something? Is with a calculator.
Buyers, everybody knows me. I'm telling you.
With a calculator.
There was a big company in UK. He sent me his website and their profile. They are as well street joker buyer. They have a sophisticated website. I look at it. They are looking to buy gold and resell it. They are asking for CIF, and I told him good luck. Good luck.
Mhm.
A minute you're gonna tell me CIF cost insurance and freight only, I'm gonna tell you I wish you good luck and Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year.
No one buys. No seller can accept such a thing. No one.
No one. And then they're gonna say, I wanna buy no upfront. There is no upfront. Whether you like it or not, you have to pay for it. There's no upfront. Yeah. So I know how to rebuttal the idiot brain of the buyer. I called him idiot. Why?
The idiot part of the
Yeah, I called him idiot. Why he's telling me that he's not going to pay upfront? There is no upfront. To me, you're a poor guy. You don't have the money. You cannot afford. You cannot afford to travel to meet us in the office. So to me, you're a poor guy. See? So there's a lot of a buyer that cannot give me the answer. I'm telling you, I've been in marketing for 36 years. I've been in sales.
And you know what, madam? These guys, what I've noticed is that they are always trending with the same stories, saying, "Oh, they are scammers. When you buy the gold, it's going to be fake. It's fake." So I'm always asking,
Okay.
how can you buy something fake when you are going to the refinery after you testing is done? That's when you make payments. Now,
Okay.
How do you get scammed?
I will give you the answer. In Africa, gold has two categories, low grade and high grade. That low grade belong to the industrial. Even though 14 carats, there is still gold. Okay, they can make into $1. That's not fake. But they are looking for high grade, which is 22 to 23.
Yes.
And they're looking for the purity of gold. Now, the purity of gold on high grade is from 96 to 97. Now,
Yes.
I've been to the refinery here in Brisbane. I was talking to the director. Even 92% they can make into 99.99. So the buyer can tell me, will tell me that, oh, the gold is fake. He is fake. Because gold has a chemical component. He has to refine it. The buyer has to refine to make into different uses. Most of the international buyer come to Africa, they are buying raw materials. Why this Australian mining company are in Africa? Why? They're mining raw materials, they bring it to Australia to refine it to make into 99.99. Yes. The mining company would not tell you. Only the street buyer have no idea. I went to the jewelry manufacturer in Dubai. Inside, they have 700 workers. He told me, even 85 they can make into any uses. They can make into $1, $2, or full state. So gold has many uses. So those street joker buyer telling you or telling me that Africa is fake, he is fake. He is fake. Yes. Because you need to taste the gold before you pay. You don't need to pay unless you get the ASI report. You need to bring the gold analyzer. You don't need to pay upfront unless you see the gold. Yes.
So, like what you have said is true. These are street guys who like shortcuts, trying
They
to buy
are.
off, rip off for. Because I always ask them that when you're buying something, before you buy something, don't you have to? Seller has to give you all documentations, export certificate, mining certificate, even his bank account, everything,
Yes. Yes.
and company profile.
Before the
And
buyer
they'll be there.
travel,
Yes,
before the buyer
yes,
travel
yes,
to
right.
Africa, I gathered the buyer's vital information. Okay? I have to gather. When I gather the buyer's vital information, the buyer expect to receive the vital information of the seller, the main supplier. We will provide the buyer company profile, mining license, and export license. Before the buyer receive that, I myself will gather buyer's business registration, importation license, proof of fund, and passport copy. Wilhelmina will determine which African seller I'm going to take the buyer. Okay? That is the rules and regulation. And if Wilhelmina is not satisfied, Wilhelmina will not consider the buyer. So the buyer will fail. Then he gonna say, oh, scam, scam. The buyer is the one who is scam himself because gold is not for scammer. No. So that is the reason why when I interview the buyer via Butim, if you are from Dubai or anywhere, I always ask open your camera because I want to see whether you are real or not. So if you didn't
Nice.
meet the criteria,
Yeah.
you're gonna be rejected by Wilhelmina.
Thank you. Do you know what? I was School of Hard Knocks. You have really opened my mind. You have patched in what I was failing to understand. So these people who have been dealing with, they're actually street jokers.
They are.
They don't have any company. They don't exist.
They want to make money. You cannot make money unless you know. Yeah. You cannot make money unless you have a capital. The one buyer from Dubai, he went to Sierra Leone. He has only $55,000. He was being offered cheap price. And he was being stranded. He called me. He was being stranded for 2 weeks. He couldn't even get the gold. See?
And that one you did nice, eh? And that's what I hate. Someone calling me, telling me, no, we have got buyers in DRC. I say, I always tell them, for them to be there, they came with an invitation. Who invited them? And I cannot intervene. Me, business starts at overseas, not home, not someone is already in Africa calling you, I hurry up, where are you? We want this. I say, no, that's not that. I don't operate like that.
Exactly. One buyer already in Mali. Well, I mean, I want to see your office. I said, who you are? Because the seller would not entertain you. You never know you're a hold-upper. You never know you're a kidnapper. There's a lot of foreigners are criminals. Yeah. There's also sellers are criminal. Local seller, they will kidnap you as well. So vice versa. So I need to interview thoroughly. Just like when you apply for a job, you will be interviewed whether you are qualified or not. So you got me? You're buying $1 million. So if you're asking CIF to me, you're not qualified.
True.
See?
CIF, I think SBLC.
Standard letter of credit. He will go to the bank and borrow money. And he gonna use the contract. Then they gonna use the bank to loan. The bank will not give him money unless the bank can see the proof of gold. The gold cannot be given to the street joker buyer without any proper documentation.
And madam, I even caught where they swindle the sellers. The seller exposed it to me. He told me this. Once when someone is offering you letter of credit, so this is what they do. they'll ask for a letter of credit. Then when you pump in your own money as the seller, you give okay, those goods when coming out, is going to pay all the money, the taxes on his behalf, and ownership will change from the seller's name to his name. So they are going to him directly. Every documentation on the passport will be his, showing that the goods are his. So once he has that certificate of ownership, he simply goes to the bank and gets a loan.
Correct.
And forgets about you. So the bank, that's how they make money, these idiots. So I was like, oh, that's why they always no, just bring them, we'll pay once the goods are here. Someone even told me to go to the bank and get a loan. When you get the loan, you bring the goods. Yeah, I said, yeah,
Wouldn't work. It wouldn't work. It wouldn't work to Wilhelmina because I need to scrutinize the buyer properly. So they don't meet the criteria at all. In fact, our conversation is live, and you're gonna be on my YouTube channel and on my platform on Facebook.
Okay, no problem, madam, no problem. Because madam, the people overseas, those who are genuine, they really have to know the truth.
Exactly.
Because I've come across with crooks, because they're crooks who they send. They connive in stealing money, trying to dent Africa. Like, oh, Africa is just full of thieves. You are the only one who is actually raising up Africa. You are the only one, madam,
Really?
fighting for Africans. There's even us Africans who are not even trying to help one another. But you are the one who has opened the doorway. And I pray to God that may God bless you. You're doing a wonderful job, because you're creating jobs for the future kids, our future children. You're opening a doorway.
Well, the foreigners really are thieves, I'm telling you. I'm a foreigner, okay? I live in Australia. I was born in the Philippines. So I'm a foreigner. When I go to Africa, I look at the people. In Africa, there is rich and there is also poor, okay? The rich people are the miners. They live in a mansion. I know because my sellers are multimillionaire. And he has 700 workers. He feed his people. But those people that have no education, in fact, I told my seller, why not open a foundation and share a little bit of profit to the poor? My seller was saying, Wilhelmina, I want you to be in the company and I want you to help us to reform. And I told my seller, I will do that. It's easy. Just reform the mindset. African mindset is not really sophisticated enough to understand. We are now on the global communication. We are now on digital way. And I was the one who introduced this. When I was on real estate here in Australia, in Brisbane, we are selling property online. We are. And someone from Africa saw my profile because I have my personal website. When I list the property, I put my property, my picture, location. Someone from Africa saw my profile. They invited me to come to Africa to sit down with them. It's really very simple. Easy. I told them that you are sitting down billion worth of money, but you were being ripped off by a foreigner. Yes, they were being shocked when I was telling them you were being ripped off. You know what the seller was saying to me during the meeting, and he said, the foreigner, because we are black. I told them, don't worry about color. Tell them, yes, we are black, but our heart is full of gold. Why are you here in our country? Yes, they were laughing at me. I said, thank you, madam. I said, no, don't be intimidated. Okay, they don't want to get gold from you. Good luck. Tell them good luck. Go back to your country. Yeah. So that is how I educate the seller. I think you are lucky that you found me on my YouTube channel because I'm educating both buyers and sellers. I am educating. Yeah. It would take time. The buyer understand. It would take time. Oh, I'm not begging gold is gold.
Sorry, the network was bad.
I'm not begging them to buy. They are begging to come because their business would not function without the supply. You must remember that. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
See? So your network, Mr. Sikwasi, your network is not really good.
Yeah, right. So right now I'm actually at the farm, so that's why the network is kind of bad.
Okay.
I'm just trying to see. Yeah.
Anyway, nice talking
So
to you. And we'll catch up and Merry
thank you
Christmas and Happy New Year.
Thank you very much, Madam. May God bless you and may you continue shouting louder than everyone.
They called me Mother of Gold, Mrs. Ford, Mother of Gold. Mother of Gold. Yeah?
And I also wanted to let you know one thing. Like scammers have now changed. They are now intimidating people and threatening people. Because I once met one man. He came in trying to intimidate me. Hey, bring them here, or else we're going to do. I said, it's my thing. Why should you give me rules? When you go to Walmart, you don't give Walmart that you bring the things here. You go there.
Just tell them go to hell.
Follow Walmart.
Just tell him.
Walmart doesn't follow you.
No, just tell him go to hell. Find another job in your country. Just tell him go to hell and find a job in your country. This is not for you. Yeah. That's all you're gonna say.
Yes.
So in a way, you learn from our conversation, and don't be intimidated by a straight joker buyer. Don't be intimidated. Okay.
Yes.
Nice talking to you, Mr. Squassi.
Thank you, Madam. God bless. Have a nice day.
I just finished talking to Mr. Sikwasi from Losaka. And he found me on my YouTube channel and he went through my Facebook. Now today is December 10, Tuesday. I will update you the price of gold today. The price of gold is almost 85,756.27, less 8% of that. Use your calculator. If you found this video, less 8%, whatever the world market price, less 8%. We give you less 8% tax included. So you don't need to worry that, oh, why should I pay taxes? The tax is already on the price. When you resell the gold to your own customer, you sell it to 2% or 3%, you still have 5%. You need to make a capital. You need to have a capital. Without capital, you would not go nowhere. We don't sell 1 kilo. Our minimum at least 20. At least 10 or 20. But we change our policy. We no longer selling 10% or 10 kilos. We make sure that the buyer can afford 20 kilos. 20 kilos is already $1 million. And if you don't have $1 million, you wouldn't be able to get this gold. So if you're a straight buyer, a straight joker buyer, keep your money. Stay away on buying gold. Put your money in your bank account as a term deposit. Interest just 3% a year. Buying gold every week or every month, you make profit on every bar 6,500 per kilo. Okay? You increase that in a year, your profit is 80% in a year. So it depends on how you increase your order. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, why too expensive? Well, you're buying expensive item. You're buying premium. You're not buying low grade. You're buying premium price. I'll tell you. There was a guy from Ghana. His name is Mr. Kwasi. And he was talking to me. He went to the office. He's from Ghana. He said he's a buyer. He went to the office. He met the company driver having a holiday in Ghana. So he went there. He flew together with our driver because he met Ben, and Ben took him to the office. He was talking to the CEO, and he called me, Madam, I'm here in the office, and your seller is giving me 5%. And why on your video is 8%? And I said, yes, it's true. I've given you 8% tax included because I need to assist you. Yeah, during the time, I only charged $10,000 to assist the buyer. So he wanted to save money. He went to the office and he said, Madam, your office is big. It's real. I saw the gold. You know, my seller was saying, go back to Wilhelmina. You talk to Wilhelmina. We have the gold. Show me the proof of fund. During that time, 2018, he returned to Ghana empty-handed. And I asked Mr. Kwasi, why you want to buy gold? Ghana, there is gold. And he said, no, Ghana has no gold. Gold is under control by the government. Right. And they're going to bring the gold to Ghana. They're going to sell it to 2% to their customer. Can you imagine that? So you cannot fool me. So I'm just sharing you the true practical way, Mr. Buyer. You don't need to talk to any chain of joker broker. You're a buyer, you have the capital, talk to Wilhelmina. Because Wilhelmina is going to take you to Africa. But before I'm going to take you to Africa, you need to call me on video call conference. If you are from Dubai, download Botim. Now, before you come to Wilhelmina, you are searching on YouTube and on Facebook. Click below subscribe. Read the full corporate offer. Because every video, the corporate offer are all the same, except the price. Now, don't worry about less 8%, because Wilhelmina will help you to renegotiate the price. You know, when I take you to Africa, I do charge $20,000 my extra services to take you. And if you cannot afford, meaning to say, you cannot afford to pay the gold. Simple as that. Now, we are now ending 2024. On 2025, there is a prediction that the gold will turn to 3,000 per ounce or 3,500 per ounce. Use your calculator. On 3,000 per ounce, assuming middle of January or February, 3,000 per ounce times 32.15. This could be the price 2025, okay? This could be the price 96,450 per kilo. Now, if you don't have the money, how could you afford? If you're a street joker buyer or street joker broker, you wouldn't be able to get the supply. Now, middle of the year, I keep on reading on Kitco. There is a prediction that the gold will turn to 3,500. Okay? In dollars terms. This could be. Only big spender can afford to pay the gold. And if you are a street joker buyer, online joker buyer and joker broker, you wouldn't be able. And if you're looking for cheap price, this is not for you. Gold is not cheap. Gold is money. Gold is your investment. So when you buy an investment, make sure you have the capital. Now, I don't know if you can afford this on middle of 2025. You can only get the good price when you talk to Wilhelmina, because I am the gatekeeper of the seller. I was the one who introduced this to the world. That is why you found this video and my previous video. You search on YouTube, this woman pop up into your phone. Now, on every video, there is a date. Now, we are now on December 10. On behalf of my seller from Conakry and Malian, Sierra Leone, Wilhelmina wishing you a prosperous Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I work 7 days a week, even though my head office closing on their mines, but we have still tons of gold. I am here to accept your order, but be ready when I interview you. Make sure you understand what you are reading on the full corporate offer on this video. I know most of the buyer search on YouTube. Click below and subscribe. Every video, every interview that I have immediately would be on my platform on YouTube and Facebook. On Facebook, you can see picture that Wilhelmina was in Africa. So every picture has a message. Previous year, my picture was been stolen by a lady from South Africa. His name is Wenka. And there's a lot of joker buyer, joker broker from LinkedIn. They hate my guts. I get out from LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a good site. It's a professional site to connect people. But joker broker and joker, straight joker, they abuse the site. That is why I get out. YouTube channel is the best site. Facebook is the best site. Today, I just purchased product on Facebook advertise. I don't go to the shop anymore. When I buy what I want, when I saw on my wall flashing on Facebook, I pay in advance. Then they're gonna deliver to me in 14 days. I don't have any problem. And then you said, I don't want to pay advance. No, there is no advance. You have to come. Before we invite you, we do the contract. I gather your information. You will receive the seller's company profile, and I want to see your profile. Then Wilhelmina will assist you to renegotiate the price for you. You never know, you might get 14%, but don't bank on it because you have not convinced Wilhelmina. Our selling price less 8%, you must remember. So, if you are a buyer watching this video, please pay attention. Listen to this video that I just finished having a conference with this small agent from Africa. He found me on my YouTube channel, and he learned from my conversation. And you might learn as well from this question and answer that I given him the answer, and he asked me question. Click below, subscribe, and make a comment whether you understand or not, whether you're qualified or not. If you're not qualified, at least you watch this video. You never know, you might come back. Save money. We're not forcing you to buy. We're not. You are aiming to buy, you are hungry to purchase because your business would not function without the supply. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. So gold is tax haven. Gold is the investment, you must remember. Once again, thank you very much and Happy New Year to all of you around the world.